That's ready and go live. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another live stream. We are going to be talking about the current weather that's going on in the area. Right now it is actually a wind remix outside at our house. So, unfortunately I can't show you because I am on my desktop, unfortunately. So, as you can see right now, the radar is showing some signs of some rain and snow in the area. Right now it's actually a wintry mix, as I said before, like in the pink zone right here. That's all a wintry mix in that pink color. So if I put this radar into motion, we do have some stronger tracks if we go back to the rain radar where you can see all the rain. Where we did have that heavy rain come through just a few minutes ago, probably. Actually, no, it was probably around an hour, about an hour-ish. Let's go back to the winter radar. As you can see, we can have right here, we have that rain snow line, where it's colder up north, and then it's kind of in right now. It is warmer to the south. So right now, it's that was at 4. That was about an hour ago. So if we put the radar into motion, real quick, as you can see, that the colder air mass moves down. Actually, wait, wrong color. Okay. So like the colder air mass would move down, bring all the snow, which has gone up to around about there. And then right here, obviously, is the warmer air where the rain has not changed over to snow. So there's that line right there, the rain snow line, where there is a possibility of not hail, but sleet. Right now we're accumulating some pretty heavy, big, wet flakes, which would really be not that. It's going to cause some traffic troubles out there, so just be alert when you are driving. So I can show you, pull up, see. Let's do a reload of the, so we can see if there's any new data coming in. So we go. So it looks like the rain snow line has moved into our area, obviously. So right here is where that precipitation changes over to that freezing rain in the pink and that sleet in the red colors. So right here in Milford right now, there is that potential for snow. Not really. It just all depends on where your area is at, and there are some stronger storms coming through with these storm tracks that this software has put up for us. So there's a storm right here. That's Sean. There's another storm here that could be bringing heavy rain. So all of, like, if you see all of the what's it called? If you see anything like that of the white lines, that means that it's tracking the strong storms. If my computer will cooperate with us. You can zoom in right there. And let's do another reload to see if we get any new data come in, which it looks like there isn't. So right now, obviously the radar hasn't really changed much, but the temperatures are around. I can check. I don't know. They should be around freezing, so like 34 to 36. Right now it's actually 36. So that can be like that heavier wet flakes. Right now we probably accumulated around about 1/10 of an inch of snow and sleet. Right now, really, if you are going to be seeing snow, it's going to be bigger flakes and more wet flakes, obviously, not like the fluffier snow. But we actually just got a special weather statement in from the National Weather Service, I believe. Let me just pull it up on my other radar over here, where there is, so if we can go to the non-snow radar, this looks about normal, this looks about average. So right now, it is heavy rain that just moved through the area. So if I can put this into a more slower motion, as you can see, there's a storm, or there's the heavier rain that moved in about right here, which has brought in pretty heavy rain to the area, which just changed over to snow around about 10 minutes ago. We've already seen 1/10 of an inch of snow. So really, this storm has moved off, but has gotten a strong track again. Then we can go here, and this storm is just getting stronger and stronger. Then the next storm moved in, or the next stronger cell, stronger, heavier portions of rain moved in there. And then if we go back to the next one, then you can see right here, this is all the heavier rain out along this line of storms. We actually do have some hail in New Jersey, and some hail near Northampton, and part of that. My radar doesn't go all the way out there. So we are on the Boston radar site right now. I'm going to switch over to the Albany site to see what difference the radar has in it. Again, this is where the stronger, heavier rain is. Let's go back to the Boston one, where the stronger cells have, not cells, they're not really thunderstorms, but they are heavier rain that is moving through the area. So we can tell, zoom in here real quick. So it looks like the heavier rain has kind of moved out of the area, but we will still be getting that rain. I can pull up the hourly radar in just a second. So really it's going to be raining for the next few hours until really around 9 o'clock tonight. So anywhere you see this, again, anywhere you see this yellow color along here, this yellow and orange, just means heavier rain, including that dark green, where that line has, again, moved through. So right now, again, it is still snowing. Right now it's a mixture, watery mix of sleet and snow. Obviously not small snowflakes and heavy. It's just a lighter, bigger snowflakes. So for the rest of the week, it's going to be pretty chilly, around 50s, or 40s tomorrow, 50s for the next couple days. Saturday's up to 71. We could possibly be breaking a record this weekend. I have to check on that. But next week looks excellent for warmer temperatures, but it's going to be showers for quite a while as it's showing. But it's not too accurate right now. I'll probably do an update video later this week, probably around Thursday, Friday for the 7-day forecast. Might even do a live stream on that. But again, not really too much going on tonight. You might see some rain and snow. As you can see right now in Milford, New Hampshire, it is obviously right now a winter mix, as I said before. But anyone can see the winter mix as long as they have temperatures that are cold enough and that the air wants to produce that, I guess you could say. And so there's still this line that moved through a couple of minutes ago, like half an hour to an hour. Then right now it is at just this smaller portion of heavier rain that is moving through the area as we speak at this time. Again, right there is heavier rain. Then right now, actually, Milford again is under some of that darker green, which is the more heavy rain, but not heavy like in Derry, Londonderry, and Eastern Merrimack. There is that potential for very heavy localized rainfall within that storm cell. It's not really a cell, as I said again, but it's still it can still produce heavy rain. It's not a thunderstorm though, as we just got a new radar update. So it looks like the heavier rain is moving out of the area, and then for over the next few hours, that this rain